Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this 3D object, 3D modeling in AutoCAD software. So at first, before going here, I'm going to click here for creating the new drawing. Okay, you are watching it, and this is the 2D X and Y, two dimensional. And here watching the top view and 2D wireframe, and here also watching the top view. So before going here, I want to select the units. Okay, I'm selecting the engineering and precision is this one, an inch. Then going to the animation and go to the standard and manage dimension stylist. Go to the modify and primary unit is selected engineering and it will be 0.00 inch and text will be 3.5 inch and symbol and arrow also 3.5 inch. Okay, done. Now I'm going to take the layer for making the body. This color I'm selecting red. Red color is better, or this one or this one. This one is better. Okay, done. Then I'm going to select the circle. Which circle is taken, center and radius. First I'm taking the 11-inch radius. Right button is click and repeat the circle again. And draw another circle which will be 14 inch. Again taking the circle which will be 17.5 inch. Though I have already done in previous lectures in 2D sections, and today I'll show the 3D section. And right button click again and taking the circle which will be 22.5. Right button is click, another circle will be taken 26. Okay, done. But this is the lines actually we are watching. This the section. For creating this section, the 26-inch line is created. You are watching the top view. Watching it. For creating this circle, imaginary line, imaginary circle. This one is the imaginary circle, which will be the 26-inch. Okay, then I'm taking again right button click and taking the circle here. It will be 6-inch radius. Another circle is taken, which will be 2.5-inch radius. Okay, done. Then I am going to select the fillet and taking the radius, and this radius will be 7-inch. Click on this circle, another click on this circle. Right button is click, fillet is taken. Click on this circle and another click on this circle. Okay, done. Then I am going to select this portion, this portion, this portion, and this portion. After that, going here, array and polar array is selected, and try to here specify. Here already showing the specify center point of array. That's the center point is click selected and click here. Created the 6 items here, but I will take 4 items. Okay, then close. You are watching, then I am deleting this portion. When I want to select this one, everybody will try to select. Then I am going to the home and select the export. Then it will be separated. Every parts are separated. After that, I am taking the trim command, going here and selecting the trim, then trim it. Sorry. click the trim and right button is click, then click here, 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 and similarly also trim this portion. And also this portion. Okay, done. Skip. Already 2D is done. Two-dimensional view is done. And who is the dimension is actually the dimension is given in previous lecture. You will watch this lecture for clear the classification. So now I'm going to the top and select the SU. Then I'm selecting every part and click the J. I mean the join, then enter. You are watching it. Then I'm going to select the extruded box, only extrude, extrude is selected, enter. Then click here and click every circles and 4 circles, then enter. I'm taking it 3 unit, up to 3 unit, 3 and enter. Then subtract, okay, subtract these circles. Okay, before going here, subtract. Okay, if I want to subtract this circle, so before I have to select this portion, then enter, then select all circle. After that, enter. Okay, done. Then right button is click and go to here and extrude it. Take again and click on this portion. It will be taken 4 inch. I mean 4 unit. Right button is click again and extrude. Then it will be taken also 5 inch. Right button is click. Repeat, extrude again. Click this one, enter, and it will be 5.5 inch. Okay, done. Then I want to provide the shade, 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 enter. You're watching the shade. Then I want to actually I want to here the substrate. That's why substrate is selected and click this portion, then enter. Then who is part you want to substrate? I want to substrate this part. That's why click on the surface and enter. Then you are watching this portion is substrate. But I want to union every object, so union, then enter. Then you are watching this portion is the union. After that I want to, here you are watching this hole. That's why I want to create this hole. So I have to select command the press pull, PRESSPOL, press pull, enter. Then click on this portion, click on this middle option. Again press pull, then click on this middle option. Not middle option is not showing. There's some problem is created. So Control Z. Okay, done. If I want to press full. Okay, click on this option, then going here, then before going here I want to select, I want to union, enter. Union is done. Then I want to select the peaceful. At first I want to subtract here. Subtract on this portion, enter, and this portion, enter. Then peaceful. Then okay, done. Enter. If you go in here, I want to see again. You're watching this one. Okay. At first you are watching this one. Then shade command is select shade. You are watching the shade. Then I want to subtract this portion. That's why subtract SAB. Subtract is selected and click this portion. Then enter. Then I want to click this portion. Who is portion you want to subtract? Click and enter. You are watching the subtraction is done. Then union is select union and click this one, this one, this one, then enter. Then you are watching is everybody are selected at a time. After that I want to hole. I want to create a hole. That's why I want to remove this one. So I want to select the pressful PRE double S PO double L pressful. Click this one and go downwards and click done. Then I want to select the color and the body color is selected. So this color I'm going here body. Okay, you are watching this one. Okay, you can see the left side and you can also select this portion, this one, front plane, okay, top plane and side plane and home plane. I mean this one is the 3D view, top plane. Okay, done. So thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and